Hey everyone, welcome back to Caring Guy. Today, we're reviewing a feature-packed GPS drone designed for serious flying and smart aerial photography, the S158 Professional Drone. With long-range GPS control, dual HD cameras, four-sided obstacle avoidance, and intelligent flight modes, this drone promises a professional experience at a competitive price. Let's dive in and see what it really offers. Right from the start, the S158 impresses with its foldable and portable design. When folded, it's compact and easy to carry, and once unfolded, it transforms into a solid, stable aircraft. The arms and propellers are foldable, making it perfect for travel and outdoor adventures. The drone also features high-brightness LED navigation lights, including 6 LED night lights on the body, which not only look great but also improve visibility during low-light flights. One of the biggest highlights of the S158 is its GPS positioning system. This allows advanced safety functions like one-click return, low battery automatic return, and out-of-control return, giving you confidence even when flying at long distances. Combined with four-sided intelligent obstacle avoidance, the drone can detect and avoid obstacles from multiple directions, helping reduce crashes and making it more beginner-friendly. The S158 comes equipped with dual high-definition cameras, a front-mounted camera, and a bottom optical flow camera. The front lens can be electronically adjusted up to 90 degrees using the remote control, giving you more flexibility when framing your shots. With optical flow height hold positioning, the drone can hover steadily for smoother photos and videos. You also get features like beauty shooting, 50x zoom, MV video production, and 5G real-time image transmission straight to your smartphone. Using the Wi-Fi app connection, you unlock a wide range of intelligent features, including trajectory flight, one-click surround, intelligent following, waypoint flight, and even music-added video recording. The app also allows real-time video transmission, screen rotation, aircraft position display, and emergency stop, putting full control right at your fingertips. The S158 uses a 6-channel gyroscope system, allowing smooth control in all directions, up, down, forward, backward, left, and right. It features brushless motors, providing strong wind resistance, quieter operation, and improved durability. You can freely switch between multiple speed modes, activate headless mode, and enjoy one-key takeoff and landing, making this drone suitable for both beginners and experienced pilots. In terms of endurance, the S158 offers around 20 minutes of flight time per charge, powered by a modular lithium battery. The remote control is rechargeable using USB, which is a nice touch. The flight distance reaches up to 2,000 meters, giving you plenty of room to explore wide-open areas while maintaining stable GPS-assisted control. So, who is the S158 Professional Drone for? It's a great option for pilots who want GPS safety features, smart flight modes, dual cameras, and strong flight performance without stepping into ultra-expensive drone territory. For aerial photography, intelligent flying, and confident long-range control, the S158 Professional Drone delivers impressive value. Thanks for watching this review on Caring Guy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest drone reviews and tech content. Until next time, fly safe and happy flying.